Guidance and Counseling, Semester 2, English Medium MCQ, Lecture 5. Question number 63. Marriage counselors have developed a specialized service for first option women, second option men, third option men and women both, none of these. So the correct answer is men and women both. So the option C is correct. Question number 64. The correct aim of counseling. First is to help the student to know his interests, abilities, attitudes, etc. Second is to encourage and develop special abilities and right attitudes. Third is to help the students work out a plan for solving his difficulties. The fourth is all of the above. So the correct option is all of the above. Question number 65. The correct role of the counselor. First option is providing services for students in group. Second is providing services to students as individual. Third is providing services and maintaining relationship with the school staff. All these are correct. So the correct option is all of the above. The correct option is option D. The behavior of the counselor should be very humble towards the pupils, clients. Third option is A and B. That means pupils and clients both, and none of these. So the correct option is the behavior of the counselor should be very humble towards the pupils and clients. So the correct option is C. The counselor cannot explain the description of the solution of the problems. The statement is true. So the correct option is C. Question number 68. The cooperation of the pupils and their participation are essential for a successful counselor. This statement is true. So the option A is correct. According to Keller, the counselor's personality should be, first option is child oriented, second is attractive, and third is impressive. Fourth is none of the above. The correct option is impressive. Question number 70. The client does not use the suggestions made by the counselor. This statement is false. Question number 71. The counselor should be sensitive towards the problem. This statement is true. So the correct option is A. Question number 72. Intellectual competence of a counselor is very useful for a successful. First option is guidance process, second is professional purposes, third is teaching process, and fourth is counseling process. So the correct answer is counseling process. So the option D is correct. The counselor must be dedicated completely to his. First option is students, second is work, third is profession, and D, the fourth is all of these. So the correct answer for this question is profession. So the answer is C, correct. Question number 74. The school counselor should be a graduate in education and have master's degree in counseling, second master degree in education, third PhD in education, fourth none of the above. The correct answer is master's degree in counseling. Option A is correct for this question. The role of the counselor also includes providing information to the client about decision making process. The statement is true. The correct answer is C. The aim of the counselor is to help the students in changing their First is attitude, second is behavior through learning, third is nature, and fourth is none of these. The correct answer is behavior through learning. The school counselor is an educator with special professional training. This statement is true. So the correct answer is A. Question number 78. In the process of counseling, the counselor goes on providing information regarding the concepts of first is human career, second is human behavior, third is human nature, and fourth is human development. So the correct answer is human behavior. Option B is correct. In this way, for English medium students, for guidance and counseling for this paper, I have prepared 78 questions in 5 different lectures. So far, I have completed 78. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel, and press the bell icon. Thank you.